Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix AutoDS out of stock issue. So for example, right here we are using AutoDS and CJ Dropshipping, and this product right here has over 33,800 in stock. But if you go to the actual website now that we have, as you can see, it shows as sold out. So the way you fix this, you just come here to your settings for your store. Here at the bottom left, you'll see this gear cog. Click on that to access settings. Then from here, click on shipping and delivery. And if you scroll down here, see the different products, scroll down again, you'll see the fulfillment locations, right? So we have this set as our fulfillment location, and these are the shipping zones available. But if you scroll down again, you'll see not shipping from these locations. So CJ Dropshipping, the app, is actually not shipping because the products in this profile will not have shipping options at checkout if they ship from here. So you need to add zones and rates to actually ship from these locations. So come here, click on add rates, right? And then I want you to click on use rates from another location and choose that zone. There you go, hit done. And then we have set this as the fulfillment location. So if we go back to the website now, it should show as in stock, right? There you go. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.